Hello everyone, this is my last journal entry in which I will be reflecting about my own learning process and at the same time how has been my teaching learning process. Well, in the first place, I would like to say that this unit was very meaningful for me since I was um, facing the theory in empirically in my ELAF placement. I became aware about the importance of of implementing differentiated instruction and about the existence of mixed ability classrooms. I I realized about the fact that all classes are mixed ability ones because all the students are different since they have different learning styles, different learning needs, different interests, different readiness, among others elements. Among other elements, sorry. At the same time, now I would like to mention that with regards with the creation of my cycle planning, I mean the writing part of my cycle planning was easier for me since now I was more prepared. I was aware about that the fact that my goals have to be more feasible and realistic. That was something that I learned because in the past I was making this mistake of writing very difficult goals. So now my goals were related with developing academic oral presentation skills throughout the unit and to understand what mixed ability classrooms are and require. In relation with the first one, I would say that my task was very well organized, and that was something that the teacher told me. I throughout the classes and sometimes in my house, I watched YouTube videos related with the topic, related with how to make oral presentations, how to make academic oral presentations. And I was taking notes and trying to, and repeating what the video showed. Now, in relation with the second goal, I could say that all the discussions that we had in classes and all the activities that we made, such as role plays, oral presentations, debates, among others, were very, very helpful for me when creating this idea of what mixed ability classrooms are. It is always helpful to listen to my classmates' ideas and to share opinions about the topic. Now, according to the goals that you proposed that were related with exploring and developing an understanding of mixed ability classrooms and to understand and implement teaching strategies in the mixed ability class, I would say that, as I said before, the discussions are always helpful to understand. So I think that both of the goals are, in my opinion, successfully achieved. And now I feel that I am prepared to develop strategies in mixed ability classrooms. Personally, as I make private classes, I have the chance to put into practice my knowledge about differentiated instruction. So whenever I have the opportunity, I put into practice all the theory. As all my students are different, I try to teach them accordingly, and that the content, the teaching style could fit them in a more proper way. Now, according to my teaching learning process, I would say that I found really helpful when you make us recognize the rationale behind the strategies. Some strategies such as, differentiated instruction strategies, such as taking into account the students' learning needs. The rationale of this was to allow the students to be more empowered or be more committed with their learning process. Why it was very useful for me? I think that as I always try to find the idea behind something, and at the same time as enjoy this, I enjoy discussing ideas instead of of facts. It was very interesting for me to work on that, to work on recognizing rationales behind the strategies. And at the same time, it is very useful for us to know what is the purpose of doing what we do. At the same time, I liked all the classes discussions we had, and also it is very helpful to have this sitting arrangement that we always and we frequently have, because we can see to each other and discuss and share ideas. Thank you. This was my reflection about my learning process in general. Hope you like it.